Hey guys, today I bought a $30 no-name brand vacuum cleaner for my bed. If, like me, you get itchy at night, then this one is probably the solution to our problem. So, without further ado, let's check it out and see if it's worth it or is it just a sham to get your money. So, this is the no-name brand vacuum cleaner. It's specifically for bed use. But I don't know if you can use it on your household floor, but I don't think it would be good. So now we have this vacuum cleaner. Okay. So as you can see, the box is just a plain box. And there's nothing else here except for this Type-C cable. Okay. We have this. Let me throw this out. As you can see in the box, there is a instruction manual here, and I don't think we need this one. And then there's also a Type-C cable. This is used for charging. And then we have the vacuum cleaner. So according to the product detail, this one has an ultraviolet rays. It is said that it can kill bacteria, germs, but I don't know. Let's see if it will work. So that was a very powerful suction. So I'm trying it now. I have some salt here. So I don't know if you can see it, but maybe you can see it, right? So let me test the vacuum cleaner. Okay, so let me try the number 1. I mean, it seems to be working. Okay, the suction. Look at the suction. So I'm trying it now here on my bed. As you can see, there is some hair fall. That's my hair. So I will try using my vacuum. So it's not working. Let me put it number 2. Hold the handle with one hand. And oh, so you need to rotate it. In order to remove the dust cup, you need to hold this, and then you need to somehow rotate it, something like that. It will not. You cannot just pull it out. And I think you can fill this up with water and then you can just throw it down the drain, you know. So I have tested out, and I would say it can do its job for a $30 vacuum cleaner. It's not that great, it's not that powerful, but I would say it can do its job. Although you need to do it multiple times, you need to pass through multiple times so that it can absorb the dust. But overall, for a $30 price tag, it can do its job. The suction power, it's good. And so, if you want to buy something like this, then go ahead. It's worth it. Yeah, so that's all. So if you like this video, click subscribe, like, and then comment down below. Thank you.